Hi, my beautiful people. I want to bring my fridge over here. I don't know if it will fit. I've measured it and it is reaching from this point up to this point. I hope it will fit. This path will be small. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. So I don't have a socket over here. You can see at this point I don't have a socket. So this is how I've connected this extension. It is the one that I use with my television. So I need a socket over here so that it can serve the TV also. Yeah guys, this is how I have connected, and I love this carpet. It was over there, that bed, and it feels good stepping on it. Yeah, so this is my connection all the way to that wall. Yeah, this is the only socket that I have in this house. So I'm supposed to use this socket for my fridge, but I don't have the space for the fridge because that bucket over there, down there I have the Meko and this bucket, so it cannot fit here. That's why I'm opting for this space over here. So for these things, I'm going to take them to my mom's house. Yeah, so I can bring the fridge here. I hope it will fit well. So I'm waiting for the fundi to come. He's going to do the wiring all the way up there. Ikuje drop to this point. Now I'll have a socket over here. Yeah, hope all goes well. Meanwhile, I want to do my hair. I'm waiting for the girl who is doing my hair to come. I want to plait my hair, and I can see my hairline is gone. I don't have a hairline, guys. Imekatika yote. Yeah. So let's do this hair as we wait for the fundi. Yeah, the fundi is here, guys. So let's see how it will turn out, and hope all goes well. Keep subscribing, keep commenting, and let's grow together, guys. And if it's your first time here, my good name is Roses, and you are most welcome to my channel. I'm so humbled and blessed to have you on board. You're such a darling. Thank you so much. Yeah, guys, road to 1,000 subscriber. Keep on subscribing, guys. Keep on subscribing if you haven't. It really means a lot to this channel, and I will really appreciate you doing that for me, and may the good Lord bless you. So hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly watch till the end. Now don't forget to like this video as we go on.
If I could ever turn back time and do it all again, you know that I would, you know that I would. And if I could live it every night and do it all again, you know that I would, you know I would. You and I loved so softly, like soft serve eyes on a Sunday afternoon. Where did I lose someone like you? Gone too soon. And now I'm awake in the middle of the night, wishing I had a little more time, thinking how all the years kept flying by, flying by. I'm awake in the middle of the night. I knew that everything would be alright, and if I knew what the end would feel like, it feels like if I could ever turn back time and do it all again, you know that I would, you know that I would. And if I could live it every night and do it all again, you know that I would, you know I would. 'Cause I got no regrets, looking back, boarding train with nobody. I've wasted time. And if there's nothing left for me, I would go every place I could. I would see every face I should. But I know that I find all the time isn't on my side. And now I'm awake in the middle of the night, wishing I had a little more time, thinking how all the years kept flying by, flying by. I'm awake in the middle of the night. I knew that everything would be alright. And if I knew what the end would feel like, it feels like if I could ever turn back time and do it all again, you know that I would, you know that I would. And if I could live it every night and do it all again, you know that I would, you know I would. 'Cause I got no regrets, no regrets. Looking back, wouldn't trade with nobody else. 'Cause I got no regrets, no regrets. Looking back on what's left, that's the wood. You know I would.
Finally, guys, we have the socket over here. Yeah, this is how I've connected my TV. The Fundi did an amazing job, a clean work. Yeah, so all we are waiting for is the fridge. So I need help, and my brother is not around at the moment, so I'm going to wait for him when he comes so that he can help me to carry the fridge to this place and hope it fits, guys. I'll show you once he comes, guys. Finally, my fridge is here. That's where I've put my plant in my bucket for rice. I haven't put the stand yet. It is sitting on the ground. Yeah, so let me show you how it is looking. It is empty, guys. Ina umeweka full blast ama ndio nini inatoa moshi hivyo. Some githeri, some cream for the cakes. Nothing else, guys. It is empty. Empty. Need to do some shopping over here. Patu ni maji. Inside, hizi ni carrots nilikuwa na katakata zikabakia. Down here I have some cherries, chocolate, my cream for cakes. Yeah, pizza sauce. Ini, what do you call it? Chocolate ilibakia nilimelt. This one is caramel sauce. This is just water. Yeah, my fridge is empty, guys. Very empty. Very empty. There is nothing there, but it is very empty. Yeah. And now this table is here. The one that was here, I took it to my mom's place. So this is where the table is, and this is the space we have for eating. And I'm taking some tea. Chantel, sichukua maji uoge. Na mtu ajoga hapa bado kuna uniform. The water is hot. I'm making some rice here for dinner, kapilao hivi. That's what I am making. Well, you've already taken your tea. Utakojoa kwa kitanda, hebu achana na hii chai. That's too much tea for the night.
Smiling every day.
Leave my tea alone. Utakojoa kwa bed, hebu that is too much. Wacha?
No. It's not too much.
Hebu wacha
wait,
mama.
One. Okay.
I wait what? That is enough. Leave it.
Yeah! Yes.
And in Dufia, no sugar. It doesn't have sugar. There's no tea. Go take a shower. This is how my hair is looking. Niangalia aje sweetheart. Tushike. It's already finished. Please go take a shower. No tukule. Chakula taiko. almost there. Punguza moto. What do you want? Wait a minute. Oda nisumbua pati anataka kuongea na babake. Nitaimia kuongea na babake wewe. Can't you leave me in peace? Can't you see I'm vlogging? Guys. Sijatoa earrings. Nilikuwa nimeenda BSF, the Bible study. Hatu tu earrings tunanikulanga masikio, unajua? They are not coated. Outside it is beautiful, but it's not coated. Woo, kananiumiza masikio. Hebu funga. Unajua kufunga? You clip like that.
Like this.
Yeah, you clip like that.
Or then it's like...
No. Usirudishe kwa masikio yangu. Kwanza hii nasikia kujikuna. Hii kwanza inanikula masikio. Unajua? Aya, funga. Go put it there where I put my earrings. This is how I was looking. My controls over here. But sikuwa na hii vest. Nilikuwa na something on top. Yeah guys. Tongojea ka rice kaive pale. We take our dinner. And we call it a night. Feeling tired. Sleepy. Endo nipeleke hizo earrings huko dad. Si maji nachemka sana wewe madam. Ngikunywa chai sasa utaweza kukula nini? Chakula. Main starter. Oh guys. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And make sure you comment to this video guys. Give it a like and I really appreciate you guys. Acha togoje food hivi. Naonyesha kapila kangu venye kanaka. Yeah. Why are you looking me at like that, young man? Umekunywa chai tu sai. Oh.
Mom, tenemos a Peppa Aeroplane. Mom, tenemos a Peppa Aeroplane ahí.
Ya cuando ukula.
Tenemos a Peppa Aeroplane ahí, Mama. Angalia.
Ukikula,
Angalia, Mama.
kuja hapa unitengeneze ukikula. Hi my beautiful people. Hope you're well. So I'm stepping out. I'm going to the salon. I want to do my nails, but this time around I don't think I'll do long nails. Maybe I feel like doing my own nails, growing them, I don't know. Yeah, so that's where I am heading to, and the sun is so hot, yo. Yeah, I'm wearing these turabas za mtaani. Let's go and make these nails guys. Nowadays I need my nails done. If they are not done, yo, no, doing what I feel, what I love, what I'm enjoying nowadays. Yeah, kindly subscribe if you haven't, and let's go.
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. Cause I can be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you laugh at me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My good name is Roses if you're new here. Yeah, today I'm so humbled and blessed to have a shopping that I'm going to share with you guys. So if it's your first time here, kindly may you consider subscribing and may you join this family. And for my returnees, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content. I don't take it for granted. May the Lord bless you. So I want to share with you, my shopping is here down. So if you see me looking here, this is where my shopping is. So I want to share what I bought with you guys. Yeah, I bought some tissues, some kitchen towel. This one are tea leaves. I went for green tea and lemon from Kericho Gold. I bought Irish. This is coffee. It tastes so nice, very yummy. Some buns for morning. Some tomato paste. Garam masala. Blue band. Noor, the beef one. Some jam, peptang. Some salt. Curry powder. Prestige, 1 kg. Rico cubes. Tomato sauce. Some spaghetti. Some sugar, 2 kgs. Bought some flour that is self-raising. All purpose for chapatis. I bought 2 of them. I also bought the brown one. I'll mix with this one for chapatis. Raha Premium for ugali, 2 packets. Those are 2 packets. So I have more items. First, I'll have to remove this one because my cartable is small. Then I show you the rest. Moving on, I bought some bar soap. Zenka, 2 bar soaps. I also bought Sunlight. This one is for scrubbing my sufurias. Bought this Magne kitchen cleaner, my cooker, Colgate Herbal. I bought Safisha, the scouring sponge for washing my utensils. I bought 3 of them. Where's the other one? Can't see the other one. I bought this air freshener, shea and vanilla. It smells good. I bought Vim. I also bought bathing soaps, that is Dove, a beauty cream bar, 3 of them. And I also bought Sensodyne for my sensitive tooth. Onto this other bags, we bought snacks. So my children are closing school on Wednesday, so we have some snacks over here. Also bought Ribena. Also bought mango. Now that my fridge is near me, I'll be able to store this one. This one is yogurt, natural one. This one is for my son. I have different snacks. I also bought peanuts. It's long since we had this one. This one is for Chantel. Watermelon. I don't know what are these guys. Vitu zingine kama hizo. For them to enjoy some Oreos, some marshmallows. This thing is expensive for nothing. It's very tiny. This one, 100 shillings. Kinder Joy. And Sean took this one. Have some Skittles over here. We have some Skittles. What is this now, Baba?
That's mine.
Have that one. Another marshmallows. What are these, Chantel, now? Jellies.
Gummy bears.
Gummy bears. I bought some toothpick. We are out of toothpicks. Got this. What is this?
My chocolate.
Okay. I have some cloves over here. Some cinnamon stick. Cardamom seeds. And the other one is here. I bought 3 of them. The sweet over here. This one my son was eating. It's too big, even you can't finish in one day. It's too big. You'll eat this one till next year. Yeah, guys, what else? So this is all I got. And some shoes, which I'm about to show you in a while.
Where?
So I bought these shoes for Sean. It looks so good. It's a mtumba one, guys. It's not new, but it looks very good. It looks like that. I also bought these open shoes. Looks so good. And I bought myself this one. Chantal refused this type of shoes. Ako so choosy. Sasa mimi na maringo yake siezani. Nikamwambia wewe utakauka venye unataka kukauka. So we bought ourselves these shoes. Zile viatu anataka labda ende, I think, New York City. Yeah, guys, so these are the shoes that we bought. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, and may the Lord bless you, my people. Acha tuweke hizi vitu kwa fridge. Oh guys, I did not show you. Nilikuwa nishaweka kwa fridge. I bought this yogurt over here. This one. Let me show you. It's Gracie.
Yeah.
3 liters yogurt. And now nilisahau. It was there inside. So
No.
let me move to my carabiner over here. And my Itatoshea hapa hiyo. Now this water ama we put just inside the bowl. Oops. Maji naitoshea hapa. Put this one here. Sasa hii maji yenyu usinitoe tu hapa. Unafunga hii bottle tuweke huko chini. And I put this yogurt over here. Guys, ka fridge bado kanaongezeka. Kana come up. That's the only thing for the fridge. Why mlango nayo unajifunga aje? Relax. Let me show you this other side. This side, nothing else, guys. But the fridge still empty. But I'm so grateful. At least niko na yogurt and some juice over here. Can you like this video, my people? My good people, don't forget to like this video, yo. Hii fridge tutajaza tu pole pole. Pole 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 pole. See you guys.